If you're a skinny dude, here's a full body workout that will get you big if you're a beginner. Let's get it. Coach Zach here, and in this video, you're gonna be following me along as I do a full body workout designed to help you build size if you're a beginner. Now, if you are beginning and you're a skinny guy, doing full body workouts 3 to 4 times a week is a great place to start. And so we're gonna be hitting some of the best exercises for each body part, and we'll be doing them in a superset fashion. What that means is one exercise followed by another. And I'm only gonna be doing 1 set of each, but you're gonna be doing 3 sets of each. We're gonna keep the reps around 8 to 12 reps. Now, those 8 to 12 reps, you're gonna choose a weight where it's difficult for you to get 8 reps, where you're on the 7th rep and you're like, I don't know if I can get this 8th or this 9th, but you push through it and you push your body to get the rep, which will create the need for your body to grow. So 8 to 12 reps, make sure it's difficult. And this workout is full body, but it's more focused on upper body. You can take any of these exercises, substitute them for anything you like. This is just a framework, but this is a full body workout with an emphasis on upper body. Before we get into the video, there are several things in this world that can kill your testosterone, which is a key hormone when it comes to building muscle. So check out that link down below for the top 5 worst killers when it comes to your testosterone. Now, let's get it. Before we even start doing anything, make sure you warm up. We have plenty of videos on warming up, so I'm not gonna do it here. So go ahead and check those out. Now we're gonna choose a weight because the first exercise is goblet squats. So go ahead and pick a weight where you can do around 8 to 10 reps. You're gonna bring it right up to your chest. Make sure you have a nice grip. Deep breath in, all the way down. Exhale, explode up, squeeze your glutes. Inhale down, exhale up. You can even pause at the bottom for a second and then explode up. Eight. From that, we're gonna superset with a dumbbell pullover. This is often called the upper body squat because it's hitting so many different areas of your upper body, your lats, your pecs, your shoulders. Make sure you choose a weight that's good enough for you to get 8 to 10. You're gonna hold it like that. I like to bring your feet a little bit closer towards you, hug your shoulder blades together as you breathe in, all the way back as far as your shoulder mobility lets. Exhale, all the way through. All the way, go down nice and slow. All the way through. So right there, you would do a whole nother set of goblet squats, whole nother set of pullovers, and you'll do that for 3 sets. But right now, I'm gonna get right into the next superset, which is dumbbell rows followed by dumbbell chest press. Make sure you re-rack your weight, don't be that guy. You take a little break, but I'm not taking a break right now, but make sure you do. Go ahead and grab a weight that's good enough for you. We'll come right over here, grab a 40. Several different ways you can do a row. You see some people put their leg up here and do rows. Some people here. I like to train the core a little bit, so I take a wide stance, a little bit of a stagger, elbow on my leg, and then pull to your pocket. So I'm not pulling straight up, so it's not straight up like this, it's back to the pocket. Always go down nice and slow. That eccentric part, the lowering, is really tearing up the muscle, which is the signal for it to grow. What you do on one side, make sure you do to the other. From here right into a chest press. Go a little bit heavier for that. And again, this is just a framework, so you can do incline, you can do flat, do whatever versions you want. You can even do this with a barbell and do a bench press. The version that I like the best is to come down with a neutral grip, and as you exhale, come up into that pronated. Inhale, come down, all the way down. Exhale, up. If you have shoulder problems or shoulder injuries, don't go all the way down. So again, you would hit 2 more sets of each of those rows and then those presses, making sure each one is difficult. Again, re-rack your weights. Don't be that guy that has a whole collection by his bench. Next, shake it out, take a second. Remember, this is upper body focused. If you want to do a full body workout as lower body focused, you would just do more exercises for legs. So, next one is a standing shoulder press. So, I like standing shoulder presses because you're working more of your muscles, you're working your core, right? Now, if you want to talk about pure hypertrophy, obviously doing it seated might be a little bit better because less of your body has to work, but hey, we're trying to get strong at the same time. Nice strong stance from here. Inhale, exhale up. Same thing, I like to turn, so come down with a neutral grip. Exhale, up. Inhale down, exhale up. We're gonna superset this with dips. Well, obviously I can't do dips over here at the dumbbell rack, so come on and follow me. Check out our nice Halloween stuff. You're probably not watching this. That's fun to do. We got the dip bar here. Now, key point when it comes to dips. If you look at the dip bar, it's not an angle, right? So it's not straight up and down. It's not parallel to each other. They're at an angle. So most people will approach this dip bar and come here. What does that do? It internally rotates your arm, right? Most of us are already internally rotated. So flip it around, externally rotated. So from here, if all I did was stay upright and go down, this is all triceps. So lean forward, inhale down, exhale up. There you go. Obviously, you would do another 2 sets of each, those shoulder presses and those dips. We got one more superset. We're gonna get our arms. So, I really like using an easy bar, right? The bar that has a curve. You can also do a barbell or just a straight bar. When it comes to growing, getting bigger, using negatives are a great way to activate that stimulus to get bigger. So, we're not just gonna sit here and throw the weight up and down. We're gonna focus on lowering it nice and slow. resist it, resist it, resist it, and then coming up. And then you can even do force negatives where you go slow, 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 slow. You use a little bit of body language to get it up and you focus on lowering it. So make sure you got a good enough weight. 8 reps is gonna be hard. You can take a smaller, more narrow grip. I like a little bit of a wider grip. Nice posture from here. Come up and nice and slow down. Resist, resist, resist. So let's say I'm dying, right? Let's say I'm at 7 and I'm like, oh man, I can't get this last one. That's when you can use your body weight, get it up, and then slow it down on the way down. So we're gonna superset that using the same bar. You might have to adjust the weight. We're gonna do some skull crushers. So I wanna be careful because I forgot to put this clip on this side. Make sure you put your clips on your weight. And come onto your bench. Now here you're gonna grab it more narrow and you're gonna grab it with this pronated grip. You're gonna press it straight up overhead. And now here's the problem that I see so many people do with their skull crushers. They actually come down to their skull. Don't do that. You're gonna go behind your head. So nice and slow, lower, 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 all the way as far as you can. And then exhale. You can use the same negatives. So go down nice and slow, and then explode up. Behind the head, explode up. And if you've been following along, I don't have to say, but I will, you're gonna hit 3 sets of each. So you're gonna hit 2 more sets of those curls, 2 more sets of those skull crushers, and then boom, there's your workout. If you want to, you can incorporate some core work at the end. There's a full body workout with an emphasis on upper body. That's gonna be perfect for beginners trying to put on weight. Don't forget to check out that link down below for the top 5 worst testosterone killers. Woo, I'm out of breath. I don't know if it was the workout or this talking or a combination of both, but that's a good one. Do the whole thing. Let us know how it is in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe. I'm Coach Zach, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.